What's up guys? Today, this is my first ever long video, but today in this video, I'm going to be testing 3 different cheap RC cars, and they're right here. Okay, so we have the X Pro Mini. This one is blue, and it has these little things on the tires to make it able to like spin and do cool stunts. It's the Stunt X Pro Mini. Then we have the new bright Jeep Gladiator. This one's kind of annoying since the spot for the charger doesn't really fit that well. And then this one, I took the plastics off. It is the it's the Monster Rock Slide RC car. So these are the 3 that we have right now. First, we will be starting off with the Stunt X Pro Mini. I mean, it is pretty mini. It has the tiniest on and off switch I've ever seen right there. You could barely see it. And from videos I've seen before, it makes like cool sounds. This is the controller. On and off. We got turning, acceleration. Then these ones, I think these 2 right here are the spinning ones to make it spin. This one in the middle, I have no idea what it does. And these 2 buttons at top make it go right and left. So let's try it. Okay, so I didn't even press anything. Okay, so I'll start off with the spinning. Okay, how does it do it so perfectly? It's like a perfect circle in the other way. Okay, now time to figure out what this button does. But I'm not pressing anything now. It's fun music. That's pretty cool. Turning things with both wheels. They're both. Okay. Now see how fast it is. Oh, it's backward. What is it doing? Okay. Oh, that's how fast it is. Kind of slow, but it's pretty cheap. Oh, and then we have the right and left buttons. So this is right, but that's actually cool since like, you get it stuck somewhere where you can't go forward or backward, you just go to the side. That's crab driving. Okay, it has a whole bunch of cool things that it can do, like the turning both ways and going left and right. And with this one at a price of $40, I think I'm gonna rate it, for rating it at its price, I'm gonna rate it a 6.5 out of 10. Next up is the red new bright Jeep Gladiator. And as I said earlier, this one's pretty annoying since with the charger, there is not enough space to fit the whole charger in here. So you kind of just have to put it through the window so it doesn't break. Okay, I'll turn this on. Seems pretty good so far. Turning's kind of good. Goes that far. It's kind of weird. About the same speed as the Stunt X Pro Mini. Actually, I think the little one is a tiny bit faster. This one's more like a middle between the Mini and the big crawler one. So I think it's better for the rocks and the dirt. But let's see. Since it's pretty small, like the wheels are pretty small. Maybe it's meant for the road. I don't think any of these have enough power to start drifting. This is full speed. Yeah, if it falls over while trying to get up this, then that means it's pretty small. Alright, this one being the cheapest one at $30. I think for its price, it's pretty good. I'm gonna rate it a 8.1. It's pretty fun. It can't do as many things as the Mini, but it's around the same speed and it's a lot cheaper. So yeah, an 8.1. Okay, last one, we have the Monster Rock Slide. And this one, it's the most expensive one, $60. But let's see if it performs that well. It has really nice suspension. Looks like it's meant for off-road, so I'll try going over a few rocks. And if it makes those, I'll do bigger ones. But it looks pretty nice to me. Okay, I'm gonna start out with a little speed test. So far, it seems kind of slow. Yeah, I think it's slightly the slowest one. That's the slowest one. So let's see if the speed being bad goes into other things being better. Okay, first, since this is a crawler, I'm gonna try going up a curve. Power to get all the way up. Maybe I'll try helping it a tiny bit. I just like barely lifted my foot up once and it got up from there. I'll try the rocks. Okay, so let's see if it could get over these. Okay, that's really easy for this. So far, it's looking good. Get a little running start into it. Okay, running start there. Needs more grip. Okay, I can easily get over those little rocks, but these big ones not so much. Okay, it seems pretty good. I'm gonna bring it back. See if I can do a little burnout. Not really. Okay, I'm a little disappointed with the speed and the power for this one, since it was the most expensive one, $60. If I pay that much, I kind of want one to go more than like at least 10 miles per hour. But it did really good on the rocks, So with that, the speed takes it down a little bit to a 7.7. So the Mini got a 6.5, since it's just like, it's so tiny for $40 and it doesn't go very fast. It does have a lot of cool things to do, but 6.5 for the Mini. And this one I rated an 8.1, the New Bright, since these two have proper suspension. And this one, I also want to say that this one was the only one with a gun controller, which is a lot more helpful. And this one was the cheapest. So yeah, an 8.1. And this one I rated a 7.7, just because it's $60 and it went pretty slow and did good on the little rocks, but it didn't do that well on the tiny bit bigger ones. So the best one with the ratings is the New Bright Jeep Gladiator, and these are all in the description, so if you want them, go get them, and I'll see you in the next video.